with how everyone came out today, 6 players in the double digits, and not only that, yung production ng bench nila, and of course, yung performance ni Bobby.
Well, thank you. First, we would like to thank God for this win, and we also give credit to the other team for playing well as well. Yeah, we know in terms of you mentioned about the point production. We know that we will be able to score. We will somehow we have good guys, but going into this game, our emphasis would be in defense, especially kay George King. Medyo mataas especially nung I think first quarter. But what was that? 26. I think at the first 4 or 5 minutes, we gave up 17 points. So medyo mataas. And George King, 34 points. We gave up how many? We gave up 4-point shots. 16 kagad yun. We know he will take that. We know he will hunt for that. So nakakoncentrate kami doon. But still, kahit ganun, 34 points pa din eh. And medyo career game din ni JD, ni Tongkab. So, first quarter, first half, our emphasis would be to tighten up on the defense. And gladly, nag-respond naman yung guys namin. Pero mataas pa rin. Make no mistake, yung 109 points that we gave up, mataas pa rin yun. So late eliminations. Hopefully, we make the playoffs. We will get our looks, we will be able to execute, pero kailangan talaga namin i-limit yung kabilang team. Kailangan namin dumipensa. Pagdating ng last yan sa San Miguel, very important game din sa kanila yan. We would have to be able to make some stops. Talagang, I mean, we know they would be able to score, pero it will take a lot of us. It will take the team effort para makakuha kami ng mga stops. So yun ang concentration namin today, and dadalhin namin yan sa Friday against San Miguel.
Thanks, Coach. 20 points, career high. Congratulations. Ano yung mga factors na contribute para makapag-perform ka this way at yung motivation mo para sa explosive gameplay mo today?
Yun lang, sinong makalaban lang namin na hindi namin kailangan na hindi kami magre-relax dito. Kasi sabi nga ni Coach, San Miguel yung makakalaban namin. Kailangan maganda ipakita namin. So yun, noong fourth quarter, kaya nagamit ako lalo kasi yun nga, si Justin Arana, parang sana okay lang. Pero yun, binigyan pa rin ako chance na makapaglaro. Yun, binigay ko ng best ko. Yun.
The floor is now open if the media has any questions.
Thank you.
Coach, kumusta si Justin now concerning yung injury niya?
Well, kanina, wala pang update din yung medical team namin. Pero nung pagdala sa kanya sa dugout, chinek na yun. We'll see. So far, in-evaluate pa eh. Then siguro, after this, pagdating ko doon, or maybe tomorrow, may further evaluation pa na gagawin. Sana okay naman. Initially, medyo okay. Initially, or we don't know still, pero masakit daw eh, sabi ni Justin. So, we will see. We're hoping for the best. Na sana it's something na he can just shrug off, maybe take a day off or two, tapos hopefully nothing serious.
Justin, unti-unti mo na ba, gano'n ka nakakomportable pero sa PPA? Since yung first game mo, adjusting ka pa, ngayon gano'n ka nakakomportable?
Ayun nga, tumatagal na ako sa team. So yun, 100% na komportable na ako dito sa team ko. So yun kailangan namin talagang manalo. And then para sa mga boss namin kasi. And then yung expectation ng mga fans namin, kaya kailangan namin talagang pagtrabahuin talaga.
Justin, congratulations. San Miguel yung last game, of course, your matchup with Jumar Pardo, I think yung
Yun lang, magiging ready lang siguro ako. And then alam mo naman natin si Junmar kung gaano dominante sa ilalim. So yun, kung ano man game plan ng mga coach namin, pagtatrabahuin lang namin, paghandaan namin.
ano na kayo, nag-match up na kayo dati ni Jun?
Hindi pa po. Ay, ano pa lang, first time pa lang mo.
With the possibility, of course, sabi mo nga sana hindi naman, hindi
Seryoso.
serious yung ni Justin, but may possibility na malamang hindi siya makapaglaro. So, you will have your hands full against Jun.
Depende lang. Maging ready lang po. Ready.
Thank you. Okay, Coach, you're just move closer to a twice to beat advantage. No? Just your thoughts about it.
Well, sa amin naman, if it's there, of course, lahat ng teams gusto yung ganong incentive eh. Napakagandang incentive nun sa playoffs. But for us, we will take care of yung present. Right now, ang present ngayon, yung San Miguel eh. That's our last game of eliminations. And kahit naman manalo kami doon, may bearing pa yung ibang games din eh. So, pero ayaw namin na dumating kami doon sa point na yon na hindi namin that we didn't take care of something that we could have taken care of. So, yun ang approach namin doon. We will prepare our very best with or without Justin, but hopefully with Arana there. And confident naman kami dun sa mga ibang guys. Always the next man up. We will prepare hard for that. Hopefully, we take care of them. And kung papalaro ng mga twice to beat, then and good. We would welcome that. We would want that.
That concludes our post-game press conference. Congratulations to the
Thank you, everyone. Good job, Justin. Yun, no?